Hello everyone, today we are going to have so much of fun learning about the alphabet, phonic sound and new words. Are you ready to start? Let's start with the letter A. A sounds A. A for apple. Apple. A for alligator. Alligator. A for ant. Ant. A for arm. Arm. A for arrow. Arrow. Now the letter B. B makes the sound B. B for bus. Bus. B for bat. Bat. B for ball. Ball. B for bird. Bird. B for boy. Boy. Next the letter is C. C makes the sound K. C for cat. Cat. C for cap. Cap. C for cup. Cup. C for caterpillar. Caterpillar. C for cow. Cow. Next the letter is D. D makes the sound D. D for dog. Dog. D for dolphin. Dolphin. D for duck. Duck. D for dice. Dice. And D for deer. Deer. Next the letter is E. E makes the sound E for elephant. Elephant. E for egg. Egg. E for elbow. Elbow. E for engine. Engine. E for elevator. Elevator. Let's go to the letter F. F makes the sound F. F for flower. Flower. F for fish. Fish. F for fan. Fan. F for fairy. Fairy. The next letter is G. G makes the sound G. G for goat. Goat. G for girl. Girl. G for gift. Gift. G for gate. Gate. G for guava. Guava. And the next letter is H. It sounds H. H for hat. Hat. H for hen. Hen. H for horse. Horse. H for house. House. H for hand. Hand. Next letter is I. I makes the sound E. I for igloo. Igloo. I for India. India. I for ink. Ink. I for insect. Insect. Next letter is J and it sounds J. J for juice. Juice. J for jacket. Jacket. J for jelly. Jelly. J for jar. Jar. Now the letter K. K sounds K. K for king. King. K for kite. Kite. K for key. Key. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K for kettle. Kettle. And the letter is L. L makes the sound L. L for lion. Lion. L for ladder. Ladder. L for lollipop. Lollipop. L for lip. Lip. L for leaf. Leaf. And the letter is M. M sounds M for mango. Mango. M for monkey. Monkey. M for mat. Mat. M for mother. Mother. M for moon. Moon. And the letter N. N makes the sound N. N for napkin. Napkin. N for nest. Nest. N for nose. Nose. N for net. Net. N for nut. Nut. And the letter O. And it sounds A. O for owl. Owl. O for ox. Ox. O for ostrich. Ostrich. O for octopus. Octopus. O for olive. Olive. Next letter is P, and that makes a sound P. P for penguin. Penguin. P for parrot. Parrot. P for peacock. Peacock. P for pencil. Pencil. P for potato. Potato. The next letter is Q. Q makes the sound Q. Q for quill. Quill. Q for quilt. Quilt. Q for quail. Quail. Q for queen. Queen. Next letter is R, and it makes a sound R. R for rose. Rose. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for red. Red. R for rat. Rat. R for rain. Rain. And the letter is S. S makes the sound S. S for snail. Snail. S for socks. Socks. S for snake. Snake. S for star. Star. S for soap. Soap. And the letter T. T makes the sound T. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tub. Tub. T for toothbrush. Toothbrush. T for television. Television. T for tree. Tree. And T for turtle. Turtle. Next letter is U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for up. Up. U for under. Under. Next letter is V. V makes the sound V. V for van. Van. V for vulture. Vulture. V for vegetable. Vegetable. V for vase. Vase. V for violin. Violin. And the letter is W. W makes a sound W. W for watermelon. Watermelon. W for watch. Watch. W for water. Water. W for wall. Wall. W for whale. Whale. And W for wool. Wool. Next the letter is X and it makes the sound X. Fox has the sound X. Xmas tree has the sound X. And the box has the sound X. 6 has the sound X. And mix has the sound X. And the next letter is Y and it sounds Y. Y for yak. Yak. Y for yacht. Yacht. Y for yoke. Yoke. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y for yellow. Yellow. And the last letter Z. Z sounds Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zoo. Zoo. Z for zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Z for zib. Zib. Z for zigzag. Zigzag. Well done kids, we have learned the alphabets, phonic sound and the words. Practice well at home. See you soon.